Today, the property runway is here at Esparina Residences with a 3-bedroom unit that you will absolutely love. Esparina Residences is an EC that TOP in 2014 with 573 units. It comes with full condo facilities including a 50-meter lap pool, a gym, multi-purpose court, and 7 different spa pools, just to name a few. Esparina Residences is located right next to the new Sengkang Grand Mall with plenty of amenities from eateries, NTUC finest, food court, and lots of shopping. Buangkok MRT is also within 5 minutes walk, accessible right from Sengkang Grand Mall. The block that our unit is in also connects directly to this multi-story car park, making it super convenient so that you can just park your car and head straight to the lift lobby once you have done your grocery shoppings from right across the street. Let's head up. The unit we have today is one of the best 3-bedder layout in the development, standing at 1066 square feet. This unit has a very functional layout that comes with a utility that you can use as a storeroom or helper's room and a WC at the yard area. When we come into the house, there's this generous foyer space before you step into the living area, and also this cabinet right here houses the DB box, but it's also deep enough to be used for storage. Going on to the living area, our owners installed this cabinetry system right at the back. There is both a shoe cabinet and a storage cabinet as well. They chose to go with a minimalist design, keeping the living room extremely spacious. Because our unit is located on a very high floor, you get to have an unblocked view of the surrounding that lets you see really far into the distance. Coming back in, the dining area right now is fitted with a 4-seater dining table with a dry pantry and space for a huge 2-door fridge. This is perfect for your daily coffee fix, and similarly, you can also have your wine chiller installed right here for entertaining your guests. The kitchen is enclosable with this sliding door that we have right here, and all the cabinetries are installed with Bloom accessories. We also have a 3-panel window right here to keep the kitchen well ventilated when you're doing your heavy cooking. Now let's head right into the bedrooms. Both common bedrooms are identical in size and can easily fit a queen-size bed. Our owners are currently using this room as their dressing room and the other as their study. All the bedrooms are overlaid with vinyl flooring that is extremely easy to clean and maintain. Moving into my favorite part of the house, which is this huge master bedroom. The master bedroom is actually fitted with this 4-panel wardrobe space tucked right into the wall, making this room extremely spacious. And did I mention the huge bathroom as well? The owners did an extensive renovation just 3 years back. All the cabinetry, including the living, kitchen, and even the wardrobes were completely changed out. All the fittings in the toilets and the aircon were also replaced with new ones. They were also very thoughtful in their renovation, with sockets planned in all corners of the house, including some near the ceiling to install Wi-Fi cameras if you need to. If you are looking for a 3-bedroom unit right here in the Sengkang Kang area, you will definitely not want to miss this unit. And if you would like to make this beautiful home your very own, contact the Property Runway today for your exclusive viewing. I'll see you again.